Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this really pretty Mother's Day card. But before we get started, I just wanted to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And I really hope you guys enjoy making this card. But before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So without any further ado, let's get right into this video. So I took a green piece of paper and I just drew out a heart, and then I just cut it out. And now I'm going to take a pink piece of paper and draw a heart a little bigger than the green heart, and I'm going to do the same thing and I'm just going to cut it out. Then you want to glue the smaller heart onto the pink heart. And now I'm just going to be putting these flowers on the card, and here is just a quick tutorial. Alright, so now you want to make 4 more other flowers, so you have 5 in total, and you could see right here I just did the exact same flower, and now you want to hot glue them onto the heart. And here it is, and you can see I put 1 yellow bead. You want to put a yellow bead in each of the other flowers, as you can see right over here. And I have these white pearls, which I'm just going to put around the flower at a distance. So here it is. And now I'm just going to be adding a tag that says Happy Mother's Day. You can always write a message at the back or underneath the Happy Mother's Day tag. And this is the last step. Alright guys, so here is the completed Mother's Day card. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget once again to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Once again, Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video.